They love you now, Robert. Look at them. They love you. They're saying thank
I'm
you.
out of bread.
They're saying thank you, Robert.
Did you get the ones that were eating out of my hand?
When you was holding it up in the air?
Yeah, they're eating out of my hand.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I caught it. I thought that was what I was seeing, but I wasn't sure.
Real still so they can scoop in.
This is for our bird lovers, nature lovers, and our nature videos with Sheila lovers. I would love to live here, but that's a dream. But we can dream, right? We can dream. I would miss the mountains. I would miss the deer. I would miss it. This is a beautiful place to come visit. I don't think I wouldn't give up my mountain life for the ocean life. I don't think I could do that. I wish I could take the ocean home with me, but I couldn't do that. Can't have my cake and eat it too. Can't have the mountain and the ocean. But it's beautiful. Relaxing. Could even be ASMR for a lot of people. We're always posting such sad content. It's nice to sometimes give you something peaceful and calming, beautiful. Ugliness in this world. It's not all ugly. Look at this. True. Perfect.